I did make the purchase of a Wi-Fi camera, which is also with integrated battery and its own solar panel. The problem which I encountered is that the place where I really need to have it, there is no sun, but I have outlet which is not that much close. So practically I wasted money because I didn't need a camera with the battery and solar panel. So what I need to do is to make a longer cable so I can charge this camera constantly, because I can't use a solar panel. This is the cable which I got with the camera, but it is too short. So I have one old USB cable which I did cut, and I have this cable from which is quite longer, from a solar panel, and let's combine these two and get a longer cable which can be used with charger and Wi-Fi camera. So just cut the solar panel cable. Strip the wire. You're gonna get wires like this, and this is quite important part. We're gonna guess that red and brown are a plus and black and white are minus, because this is a DC current, but we can also check that. The easiest way, just to be 100% sure, I did put the probes in on the cable of solar panel, and you can see when we bring it to the light, it gives 2.1 volts, and as far as I see, the white one should be plus and the brown one should be a minus. Because this cable is having a micro USB on this side, we're gonna use a white one as a plus and brown one as a minus from this side, but we're gonna double check everything just to be sure. So let's solder this up. We're gonna either way go with wrapping like this. And because this is gonna be outdoor, I'm gonna add more insulation tape, you guessed. I know that it is not waterproof, but it's not gonna be really exposed to elements. And this looks quite nice, you must admit. Not really bad. So let's test out, pardon me. Let's test out the charger one more time. And voila, it is charging the drill, and it's gonna charge our camera. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Consider subscribing, and until next time, see ya.